Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of Notion AI and Google NotebookLM. Both of these tools represent the new wave of AI-powered note-taking and knowledge management software. And by the end of this video, you know exactly which one fits your style, your workflow, and even your budget. So let's get started. First up, Notion AI. If you've been around productivity tools for a while, you probably know Notion already. He started as this all-in-one workspace where you could create notes, manage projects, build wikis, track databases, basically a Swiss Army knife for productivity. Over time, Notion became hugely popular for its flexibility. You could use it as a personal journal, a team wiki, or even as a lightweight CRM. But in the last couple of years, Notion has layered AI on top of that foundation. Now, instead of just storing information, Notion AI can actively work with your content. It can summarize your notes, help you brainstorm, generate drafts, translate texts, and basically act like an assistant that sits right inside your workspace. The main draw here is that everything happens inside Notion. Your notes, your tasks, your documents, and now your AI assistant are all under one roof. On the other hand, we have Google NotebookLM. This is a much newer product, originally launched out of Google Labs and powered by their Gemini AI technology. NotebookLM isn't trying to be a project management tool or a do-it-all workspace. It's built to help you learn from, understand, and process information. The way it works is simple but powerful. You upload your sources, and that could be PDFs, could be websites, Google Docs, slides, web articles, or other documents. Then NotebookLM uses AI to help you interact with those sources. You can ask it questions, you can get summaries, or even listen to something called an audio overview, where the AI talks you through the main points of your material. It's very much designed for researchers, students, writers, or professionals who need to digest a lot of information and make sense of it quickly. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. First, Notion AI. Writing assistance. It can draft emails, create blog outlines, or rewrite sections of text in different tones. Summarization. You can select a page or a block of text and it will condense it into bullet points or a shorter version. Brainstorming support. If you're stuck, it can generate ideas, lists, or creative suggestions. Translation. You can even quickly translate text inside your workspace. Content generation. From meeting notes to social media captions, it can spin up drafts right where you work. Integration into workflows. Because Notion is already used for tasks, databases, and collaboration, the AI feels like an upgrade to everything you already do inside the app. Now let us talk about NotebookLM's features. Source-based question and answer. You can upload documents and then ask the AI specific questions. Instead of guessing, it draws directly from your materials. Summaries and explanations. It is perfect if you're reviewing a textbook chapter or a long report. It can break things down into plain language. Audio overviews. This is unique. The AI creates an audio summary that sounds like a podcast, letting you learn on the go. Style customization. You can adjust the length and style of its answers if you're on the Plus plan. Collaboration tools. You can share notebooks with a team, though it's not as advanced as Notion's team features. Google ecosystem integration. Since it's built by Google, it ties neatly into Docs, Drive, and other tools many of us already use. What is the pricing of those platforms like? First, with Notion, it has a free plan and also a paid plan. If you want more access, you want more personalization, and you want to explore this to the fullest, then you'd have to run with the paid plan. NotebookLM also has a free plan that lets you try the basics, but there's also an advanced plan, which is the Pro plan. You get more access and you get more features in the Pro plan. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with Notion. First, the pros. It is extremely versatile because you have notes, tasks, docs, and databases all in one place. Collaboration is top-notch with team workspaces, permissions, and sharing. And it's customizable. You can design workflows and templates to suit any need. And how about the pros of NotebookLM? It's excellent for research and learning. There's unique audio overviews that make it easy to learn on the go. And the free plan is generous enough to get real value. How about the cons? For Notion, AI access is locked behind higher priced tiers, and it's more text focused, not really audio features like NotebookLM. And the cons of using NotebookLM? It is not designed for project or tasks management, and the collaboration is more limited compared to Notion's advanced team features. Alright, so which one is the best AI-powered note-taking tool in 2025? Well, here's the truth. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on your workflow. So if you are an individual student, a researcher, or a professional who spends most of your time absorbing information like reading, learning, analyzing reports, or preparing for exams, then NotebookLM is probably the better fit. But if you are a team, you're working in a team and you want an all-in-one hub where all your notes are connected to your task, your projects, databases, and documents, then Notion with AI is a stronger choice. Both are excellent, but they are excellent at slightly different things. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Obsidian with AI plugins, Roam Research, and Mem AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.